What is up? It's Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something different and fun to do for you guys. In the era of Apple Watches, fitness bracelets, and smart rings, we are going to be reviewing and unboxing the ultrahuman Air ring. Super exciting. I am very, very excited about this. I thought this video would be fun to do as kind of like a few days where I could update you guys on it, let you guys know my thoughts and what the ring does, and yeah. I 10 out of 10 recommend the sizing kit. This is what it looks like, and it came with like a sizing guide and then what all the colors actually look like, which is really nice. You can like see what they are. This is the sizing kit. I ended up going with a size 6 because I don't know, my fingers are like really skinny. And it fits on this one. Excuse me, sir. My pointer finger and my middle finger if I wanted to switch it up. And then if anybody was curious, I think I'm a size 5 ring finger. Just if anyone was wondering. So yeah, we're going to unbox this together. Check it out. Before we do that though, I'm super curious on your guys' thoughts on which, pause this video once I show you this. I'm curious, which one do you think I picked? So like pause, look at it, leave a comment with which one you think I picked based off what you know about me. And if you don't know me, hi, my name is Kendra. I make videos once or twice a week. Subscribing really helps me out a lot, so please do so. Please. Pretty please, I ask so nicely. Thank you. And then all my other social medias are linked down below. I have Snapchat, it's K3_Rowe, Instagram, Kendra Rowe. Pretty active on there daily if you aren't sick of me yet, so come say hi. And then everything else is linked down below. So let's unbox this. I am super, super excited. Gojo has decided he wants to help with the unboxing, so let's do it. I got the raw titanium color. Hello. Okay, so first thing is the manual, which I never read. I literally just ask ChatGPT for everything. The actual ring, which is super cute and fits literally perfect. Look at that. A vibe. I went with like the brush metal because I didn't want to scratch it, and I'm like really rough with my hands and my rings. Some stickers going right on my suitcase. Get wired. I switched my nails today to like these super long ones, and I forgot how to literally do anything. Okay, wait guys, like this isn't funny, I'm ripping it. Okay, a cable and the charger. So to charge it, like, there we go. Okay, I'm going to set it up and I will be back. I think one thing that is gonna be a vibe is they don't have a subscription. Like I know other rings charge you like a monthly subscription. They don't have a subscription, so, and it's cute. Look at that. Vibes. Okay guys, new location unlocked, I guess. I'm now in Mexico City, so I thought this would be the perfect time to try out the ring. I think we're gonna be like walking around and exploring a little bit today. So I'm doing the like pairing now through the app. Tell us your body weight. How tall are you? Enter your date of birth. January 18th, 2000, in case anybody was curious. Activity level, low, medium, or high? I'm gonna say medium. Are you a parent? No. Welcome to Ultrahuman. Okay, I'm now taking it off the charger and we're putting it on. It is the perfect fit. And it looks really cute. Ultrahuman ring unlocked. Yeah, so I'm gonna wear it around today and I will update you guys in a bit. Okay guys, this is a little bit of a different end to this video as I would have imagined because I have been so sick the past few days, but that is a great time to tell you about the benefits of what the Ultra ring can do, Ultrahuman ring, when you are sick, because it literally alerted me that I was getting sick. It has like a temperature increase kind of vibe, which is amazing. I have been wearing it consistently. I know I said I was gonna vlog with it in Mexico. I didn't, you know, things happen, but I have been wearing it consistently since. My little ADHD brain works in such mysterious ways. But I'm going to show you guys a little update on the app, and then I do have a discount code for you guys, which is super exciting. This is something that I love. I've been wearing it for like 2 weeks. We have like no scratches, which is literally insane. I had the Oura ring and it scratched so much. So I feel like going with one of the like raw finishes really helps with that. But let me show you guys the app. Okay, so just to kind of show you guys, this is what the app looks like. So here's my today. So it says like afternoon, tells me what time I fell asleep, what time I woke up, and like my sleep report. I fell asleep really late last night, 3:30. Got up at 9:47. And if you're a girl, cycle and ovulation pro. Anyways, so here's like my like heart rate, and then like last night's HRV, temperature deviation. This is what told me like I was sick. Like here's like everything, like my sleep score. My activity's been trash because I have been so sick. I've literally just been in bed. But like my heart rate as well. Yeah, like deep sleep, REM sleep, how long I spent in bed, how long I was asleep, sleep score. But yeah, this is what told me that I was not doing too hot, is temperature, which is like honestly really nice. And then like core metrics, dynamic recovery, movement, you know, I've been not doing good. If you're stressed, how much sleep debt you're in. Mine has been up hella because I have been dying. Brain waste, whatever, Since my cardio age is 30, which I really need to work on because I'm literally only 26 years old. Yeah, and then like all of that. Super cool. If you guys wanted to match with me and get a ring, which I honestly recommend you do, I think it's one of the best ways to like really track your health. And in today's day and age, like we need to be on top of our health, like especially if you're like me and you have the immune system of a freaking bug. From the point of this video being posted, for the next 6 months, I have a 10% off discount code for you guys. It is right here. It is, reading it so that I don't mess it up because this is a good deal. Kendra R10. So like ultrahuman, Kendra, Kendra, we all know my name. R, letter of my last name, 10. That is also linked down below with the code as well. And if you're watching this in the first few days of the video posted, there's a surprise down below for you. So make sure you guys check that out. But yeah, that is all that I have to say to you guys. I've been loving my ultrahuman ring. Thank you, ultrahuman, for letting me know that I'm sick and dying, because I am. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other questions, you know where to find me. You guys can message me on Instagram, Kendra Rowe, message me on Snapchat, K3_Rowe, or leave a comment down below. I'm happy to reply. So yeah, that is all, and take care. I look forward to comparing ring metrics with you guys. If you guys do pick one up, let me know. Yeah, love you guys, and I will talk soon. Bye.